Hello friends, welcome to Passive Money. Good morning to everyone. Today I am going to explain about the weekly report regarding what are all the things we have done past 1 month and first week of this current month. Okay, these are all things I will explain. And I sorry I didn't update the regarding some week numbers. Is still we have now sixth week of sixth, right? So I need to update on that one also. And I will explain a little bit about the stock market thing. So what is the next view on the Nifty 50? Okay. So before that, going to the stock market, please subscribe my channel and please support me. If you have any suggestion, please comment me and like these videos and share to your friends and family friends. Okay. And at the time of the subscribe, please press the bell button and you will get the notified when I upload the new video. Okay. So come to the market. So on January 11th video, I made a one video of regarding this stock, equity stocks, TCS, Infosys, DMart, and Titan. These are the stocks I explained, and I suggest us to buy. These are all the stocks, okay? And my target is the this much, friends, actually. And in the fourth stocks we made a two stocks is done and target we have reached and two stocks is still pending because of some negative news came. It is an all-time high, right? That's why that correction has happened and budget also came, right? So that's the thing, the market couldn't support for these stocks. Okay, so come, I will explain one by one. Come to the first on January 11th, we bought a TCS, Infosys, DMart, and Titan. Okay, so TCS our entry was 3,100. So if to come to the TCS chart, so we can see the Jan 11th, right? So this is the one Jan 11th. We entered around 3,100. After that, the market, see, Jan 12th, okay. So Jan 12th, because I made a video on Jan 11th, okay. Jan 12th, we made a 3,100. After that market support, uh, the market is went upside and we made a high of Jan 20th. Our target has reached, okay. So 3,300 is our target actually. So it made a high of 3,010 or something. Okay, so Jan 20, here it is. Okay, Jan 23,327 made a high, but our put a profit around 3,310. So target has done on Jan 20. Same thing as 31350 for Infosys. Our entry was, and our target is actually 1,420 for second target. So first target is around actually 1,385. So around the 35 points we made a book a profit around this one. So as of now, the market has correction has happened, right? That's why we book a profit early and we waiting for the another target for also. If you couldn't enter this Infosys, we can buy around. So right now we have 1,260 something. Infosys 1300 and 272, right? So we can say we got a one support 34 moving average support we got, right? So next week we can see the little bit upside of and for our target is 1,220 rupees. So DMart also same thing, we can buy enter was 2,900, so target is 3,500. So because these are all the large targets, right? So that's why we have to wait for 1 month. That's the thing, that is the most important point. So Titan is 1,550 rupees is our entry and 1,650 is our target actually. So we can see the next week, so maybe Titan we can reach our target 1,650. Okay, and come to the point of Ajanta Pharma, and we got a this Ajanta Pharma 1,800 is our entry and made a high of 78, guys, actually. So it means 1,878 is a made a high and we have to wait for the 1,900. Okay, Wipro is also some consolidation is happening, that's why it is taking too much of time. So we can see the little bit because next week the IT will maybe will boom section will there, because suppose if we come to the Nifty IT, so we suppose if we have see the Nifty ITC, guys, we got a support of one support is here 2,000 25,300, right? So we can see some little bit of moving upward direction. Okay, that's one thing, we can see the little bit of next week booming section we have in IT sectors. Okay, so as I told in the Jan 29th we bought the Kotak Bank actually. So 1720 is actually I told like 1730 or 40 or something. So if you got an 1700 also dip, so we can buy. So I enter was 1720 for this one Kotak Bank, and target is 2000 guys actually. So 280 points is our target actually. But it made a high of 278 already, so it means 1998 it came and went down. Okay, so maybe next week also we can see this target, so we have to wait for the targets guys. So this is the thing, some calculation I am doing, and I will explain about this calculation and all. So what much, how much percentage we got in the profit, and these are all things I will explain later. And this is the thing. So the weekly this I think week sixth guys actually. So we enter the week in the week third, right? So these are the stocks we enter in the week third. So and couldn't enter the remaining weeks also. I'm in week fifth we bought a Kotak Bank also. So that's why we have to wait for our targets. Once there is the target, we will make a fresh entry. So once the market supports, so actually already 15,000 we have reached, right? So some profit booking is happening. Maybe Monday and Tuesday also we can see a little bit tough downside, because we will get a support of 14,600. Around 14,600 we will get a support on market still, and it will move to the upward direction. So we have to very careful 14,600 guys. So around of 14,600 only we can make it a fresh entry or something we can do. Okay, until unless we don't do any fresh entry, so we will wait for our these targets. Okay, please guys, please support me, and it will be very important to me. So when you like this video, or when you comment something, it will very uh, what you told me, and I will make a new videos. These are the things I'm, if you have any suggestions, we can make a comment about in the comment sections also. Okay, please subscribe my channel, and share to your friends and family, and suggestions to your uh, everyone. Okay, and one most important point is, what are all the stocks I am explaining on the Nifty about is all the only my views guys. So as per my study, I will study stock market, and I will make a I will I am making the videos of these are all the things, so only for educational purpose. And one most important point is, these are all the stocks not for intraday, only for short-term trading. Overall short-term trading will do right. So only those guys it will help. So now before entering to the market, please double check and buy a equity stocks also. Okay, and what are the things I am explaining about the Nifty 50 is only for my view. It is not I'm not suggesting to you guys to buy this entry and this point. So I am not doing, because only I will just explain about the Nifty market. That's it. Okay. Thank you guys. Thank you. And please, if you like this video, like it and comment it and subscribe my channel and support me. Thank you guys.